I'm Rick Corey. If you'd like more information about the car you just clicked on at the end of the video, call my friends at Ferguson. Remember, no one beats a Ferguson deal.
Ferguson Superstore.
The 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.